welcome to my art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and these are my mannequins, my art fashion helpers. In this video, I will show you how to paint rose on clothes. How to paint rose is one of the most popular keywords here on YouTube when it comes to art. People want to know how to paint rose, and there are a lot of videos. How to paint rose on paper, on canvas, with watercolor, with acrylics, with oil paints. But I guess that nobody have ever made video before how to paint rose on clothes, and I will change it today. I will paint rose on a t-shirt, but you can paint on a sweatshirt, on a hoodie, on the denim jacket, on the jeans, on the cap. I will paint on the white t-shirt, but you can paint on the black and colorful clothes as well, and I will explain you how you will make it in the process. So, let's get started! So as you can see, I fixed t-shirt on the cardboard, and I will paint small rose on the left side of a t-shirt, but you can paint big rose at the center. It's up to you. And first I will paint rose on the paper. If you are not sure that you can paint rose on the paper, you can use some image and transfer it. I paint mostly my designs on the mannequins, but I decided to paint this design on a table because it's not a complicated design. And now you will need carbon paper or transfer paper to transfer this rose from paper to the t-shirt. I don't have now carbon paper, so I will paint rose directly on a t-shirt with pencil. And now colors of fabric paints which I will use are red, white, yellow, blue and purple, and black and brown. And brushes, 2 round brushes, small and medium size, 1 big flat brush, and some brush for splattering, some hard brush. Palette, water, and also I will need some old rag to wipe my brush on if I will need to remove excess of water. And first I will mix red color and brown color, and with this dark red color I will outline the rose. And if you will paint on the black clothes or colorful clothes like denim jacket for example, first you will need to create an undercoat with white fabric paint. You will paint this rose with white color, then you will let this undercoat dry, and after it will dry you can paint with colors. And if you will paint on the black clothes, you will need white color transfer paper to transfer painting from paper to the clothes. And now I mixed red color and blue color, and I will paint shadows between petals of rose. And I use now round brush, medium size. Also you can add a bit purple color to this shadow. And now I will paint mid-tones, and I will use just pure red color. And to create smooth transition between shadow and mid-tone, I put just a bit dark red color to this line between shadow and mid-tone, and I blend 2 colors into each other, red color and dark red color. And in the same way I paint all other petals. And as I said, you can paint on all kind of clothes. You can paint this rose on the jeans, on the sweatshirt, on the hoodie. You can paint some small rose, big rose, 2 roses, 3 roses. And shorts which you saw at the beginning of the video are examples of interesting designs with roses. So I encourage you to don't paint the same design like I paint now, but to make something different and creative. And now I will mix white, yellow and red colors to paint highlights which are on the edges of rose petals. And same, to create smooth transition between mid-tone and highlight, I put just a bit red, this pure red color to this line between mid-tone and highlight, and I blend red color and this light red color into each other. And the center of the rose I painted with red color. I will paint it in detail later. And now I will use small size brush to paint this rose in detail. I will make shadows a bit deeper and highlights a bit lighter. And now I put a bit black color to this dark red color mix of blue and red, and I put it between the petals, but I don't blend out too far, just between the petals like a line. And also I paint the center of the rose in detail with this color. And now I add more white color to the highlights color mix of red, yellow and white, and with this color I paint the very edges of petals, also like a line I make it. And now as last touches, I just look where I want to add a bit more highlights, where I want to add a bit more red color to make this rose a bit more vivid. You know, just trying to make it perfect. And painting of rose is finished, and of course I won't leave it like this because I love to make artistic designs. So now I will use big flat brush to create background. I will make brush strokes and it will look so beautiful. And now I dip brush into red paint and then I wipe this brush on a rag to remove excess of paint. And now I will make brush strokes. I decided to make vertical and horizontal brush strokes. And now I will use hard brush to splatter red paint. And also I decided to add a bit water to some places to create kind of a watercolor effect, but just a little bit. And painting is finished! So guys, as you can see, with just one rose, you can completely change white basic t-shirt. And such t-shirt not only unique and handmade and blah blah blah, but just Google printed rose t-shirt and compare. I hope this video was useful, and if you liked it, smash that like button to support my art. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel for more painting on clothes videos, and I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.